Squad out. What up, my brothers and sisters? Your boy E-Money Sicklets. Welcome to Aquarium Monsters, and I'm gonna show y'all something that looks like a monster, but he is an amazing hybrid. I love hybrid cichlets. I love how you could come up with some amazing, crazy creatures. This guy is the most amazing red parrot you're gonna see in your life. He is literally a convertible fish, y'all. Check him out. Amazing. Check out this red parrot, y'all. Convertible style. Watch when I get to see him move around. Look at this red parrot, y'all. Have you guys ever seen a fish like this? He got a saddle on, y'all. Amazing, y'all. Check out this hybrid. He got a horn on his head. He got like a saddle, like you could ride him. He look like a freaking jet ski. Amazing, amazing parrot right here, y'all. Check him out. This is an amazing hybrid, y'all. Help me name this guy right here. Squad up, y'all. Leave a comment. Tell me what you guys think of this amazing creature. Peace. Squad up. Check out my beautiful, amazing, rare unicorn parrot right here, y'all. I call him Hellboy. Check him out, y'all. Hellboy's doing good. He has no problems in the tank. As you can see, Hellboy has a unique, amazing looking body. This is actually a strain of parrots called unicorn parrots. But this guy's cool, y'all. I just wanted to give you guys an update on him. He's looking amazing. Check out that unicorn. Check out that horn on him, y'all. Amazing fish, y'all. It's my boy Hellboy. What you guys think? Leave a comment in the description. Tell me what you guys think about this guy. Look at this cool fish, y'all. Amazing. Amazing, amazing, amazing. I'm super in love with him. I want to get another one. He look like you could just jump on him, like he has a saddle. You could ride him. Here you go, boy. Enjoying the tank.